This channel is gaining millions of views, and the author earns tens of thousands of dollars a month. Recently, short videos with cute animals have become increasingly popular, and many want to learn how to create such videos. If you want to try it too, stay with us and watch this video to the end, because today I will tell you how to make such videos step by step. Let's start with the first step, creating a hint. You can easily get it using ChatGPT. Enter the desired hint, and then create 5 more similar options for different animals. Copy and save them to use in the future. Great, now our hint is ready, and we can move on to the next step. The second step is to create an image. To do this, I use the Leonardo AI platform. First, open the image creation function, then select the appropriate preset and click on the first one. After that, select the 3D rendering style that suits your project, and then adjust the aspect ratio. The 9:16 ratio is ideal for short videos, as it is ideal for vertical format. After you have set everything up, just insert the first hint and click the Generate button. Leonardo AI will generate 4 image options, from which you need to choose the one you like the most and upload it. Next, insert the second hint, and the process will repeat. It's really amazing how fast and high-quality images are generated. Now, insert the third hint and repeat the steps again to get additional variations. When all the images are ready, upload them all for further use in the project. The third step is to create a video, and here I use Immersion AI for animation. First, log in to Immersion AI, select the desired settings, and upload the image you want to animate. Wait for a while the application processes the image and turns it into an animation. When the animation is ready, you can customize it to your liking. Change the speed, add effects, or refine the details. Then save the resulting animated image. Repeat this process for all the images you plan to include in the video. The fourth step is the video editing process. To do this, open the CapCut app, select the 9:16 aspect ratio so that your video is perfect for social networks, for example, Instagram or TikTok. Next, import your video into the project by simply dragging it to the desired location on the timeline. When the video appears on the timeline, select the main fragment that you want to edit and slow it down to highlight important points. Now, to enhance the atmosphere of the video, add background music. I choose this music because it suits my mood perfectly. You can adjust the volume of the music so that it does not drown out the main video, and add smooth transitions between music and video so that the effect is smoother and more organic. Also, do not forget about the different effects that can be used to enhance the visual part. The effects can be either simple or more complex, which will make your video more attractive and interesting for viewers. When all the elements of the video are in place and you are satisfied with the result, finish editing and export the video. Select the desired quality and format, and now export the video. It is also important to improve the quality of your videos and post new videos regularly to attract more viewers and increase the number of views. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to join me in the wave of my training programs. Analyze and repeat step by step with me. Grow and prosper. Let's make this world a better place together.